I asked this AI to give me a list of all available Wi-Fi networks around me. And look, it checked the surrounding networks and gave me a full list of everything in my vicinity, complete with signal strength and security details. After that, I asked it to run a security check on my phone so I could see if the network is safe and check what's on the device. Since it knows my phone inside out and can handle everything on it, I'm even going to demonstrate how it can take full control of the device. And look at that, it has laid out all the details of my phone right in front of me. Plus, it can go online and do things that none of the standard AI assistants on your phone can do. For instance, I asked it to download my phone's recovery image. It did it and saved the file directly to my internal storage. If I show you, look, right there, it saved the recovery file straight to my phone's storage, something a typical AI just can't do on a phone. And not only that, I can also completely control my phone using Telegram. I can open any app and manage it from anywhere, as you can see on the phone in the background. Now, let's say you misplace your phone or leave it in another room. First, I need to check where it is, so I'm asking the AI for my phone's location. As soon as I send the message, it tells me exactly where the phone is. And that's not all. Let's test out some cool remote features while my brother is using it. Now, I'll tell it to take a photo using the phone's camera and send it to me. And check it out, it snapped a photo and sent it right to my chat. Next, I'll tell it to take a screenshot of my phone and send it over so I can see what's on the screen. It took a screenshot and sent it right to my display. Look, he's right in the middle of a chess game. Let's test one more remote feature. I'm telling the AI to call my main number from the phone. It executes the command in the background. I receive the incoming call, and it works flawlessly. This shows just how easily you can manage your phone remotely. Now let me show you that this AI can control not just your phone, but also your PC remotely from anywhere. First, I want to check the status of my PC, so I ask it to give me an update. Look, it provided me with all the information: RAM usage, storage space, open programs, and everything else running on my PC, right here on my phone. To demonstrate control over the PC, I ask it to open Notepad, and as soon as the message goes through, Notepad pops right up on my system. I swear, man, I can control my whole computer from anywhere, strictly from my phone. And one last thing, I'm telling it to shut down my system. As soon as I sent the message, it sent a warning to my phone letting me know it was shutting down in 30 seconds. And there goes the shutdown process. You might be wondering what this is and how it's happening, so let's break it down. So, I created this project called Pocket Strike AI that runs directly on your phone. It doesn't just give simple answers to questions, it can perform tons of tasks that everyday AI simply can't do. A desktop AI uses the terminal to perform tasks, but since Android phones don't have one built in, I've configured this to use Termux as its terminal. This allows it to run commands and execute your tasks just like a PC-based AI would. And a huge feature here is its support for MCP servers, something no other AI running on a phone can do right now. I've enabled MCP support so you can plug in any external tool of your choice and make it even more powerful based on your needs. So, go ahead and drop a like on the video, and let's get this set up on your phone. To start, you'll need to head over to my repository. Since it's an open source project, you can tweak it however you like. It's capable of doing way more than what I've demonstrated. It handles things like network monitoring and web scraping, and you can check out the full list of tools further down the page. To install it, copy the git install command from the installation section. Then, open up your Termux app, paste the command in, and hit enter. It'll install Git inside Termux, so just let it finish up. Once that's done, head back to the repository and copy the one-line installation command. Jump back into Termux, paste that command in, and hit enter to install Pocket Strike AI on your phone. It might take a few minutes, so just be patient and let it finish. Once the installation wraps up, you need to set it up. To unlock its full potential, You should install the Termux API app and the Shizuku app on your phone. I'll leave the links in the description. However, if you only plan to use the basic built-in tools, you can skip those two apps. After installing Termux API, make sure to grant it full permissions, just like I'm doing here. Next, you'll want to fully set up the Shizuku app, including the Shizuku Termux integration. I'm not demonstrating the full connection process here, just the setup within Termux itself. For the actual connection, you can check out my other videos. Just configure Shizuku inside Termux, like you see me doing here. After setting that up, switch back over to your Termux app and copy the launch command shown on screen, exactly as I've done. Paste the command, hit enter, and Pocket Strike AI will boot up. Now, we just need to run through the initial setup. For the setup wizard, type 1 and hit enter to kick things off. Now, select the provider you want to use. I'm going with OpenCode Zen because it's free. Next, it'll ask for an API key, so I'll just pull up mine and copy it over. You'll need to generate your own key as well. It offers free API keys and works great no matter how much you use it. Paste your API key and hit enter. After that, select the free DeepSeek v4 model from the list. Next, it will ask about Telegram. If you want to use it, type Y and paste your Telegram bot token, which you can generate using BotFather. After that, it'll ask about Shizuku. If you set that up, type Y. Setup is complete. Just hit enter to close out the wizard. To launch it, type 2 and hit enter. This starts the Pocket Strike AI server, and if it prompts you for Shizuku permissions, go ahead and allow it. The server has started successfully, and you can see on the screen that it's up and running. To access the interface, copy the URL displayed on screen. Paste that URL into whichever web browser you prefer. As soon as you enter the URL, you'll land right on the Pocket Strike AI home screen. You can now ask it anything. It's fully functional and ready to answer your queries. It can also handle a variety of tasks, everything from network auditing, web scraping, and network tracking to controlling phones and PCs, whatever you want to accomplish. So, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments what other tools you'd like me to build into this. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.